this is a new paper.
Yeah, this will be a new paper. Okay, please raise your right hand. Just want to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Okay, give me just 1 second to mark.
Did you get that?
What?
Did you get what you need to do?
What do you do? Oh, probably.
Would you please state your name?
Josh.
What role do you play in the case?
I'm a lieutenant. I was the chief investigating officer on this case.
Do you believe Susie's murder was planned?
Yes.
Why do you believe this was planned?
Why would a total stranger walk into a home occupied by 2 people with the sole purpose of just murdering them?
What time did you get the call about the murders?
1 a.m.
Did the front gate of the house have any signs of forced entry?
No, there was no signs of forced entry or burglary.
In your opinion, do you believe the killer would have had known how to get to the house?
Yes, I do.
Were there any weapons found?
No.
What kind of knife do you believe killed Susie?
One that was similar to a hunting knife.
Do you think Mary knew her attackers?
Yes, because she had no signs of struggle, which means either she knew or attacked her, or she was not expecting being attacked.
Andrew received a wound on his forehead from the butt of the gun, so his alibi says what he does tell you.
I believe that that wound was self-inflicted.
How many killers do you believe there were?
We believe that there were 2.
How was Susie killed?
She died from a loss of blood due to severe laceration to her neck.
What does the cuts on her legs and arm indicate?
It indicated to us that a struggle occurred before her death.
No further questions.
You said you believe the wounds were self-inflicted, correct?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why you think this?
Because it did not seem like a wound that someone had, you were hitting them with a gun, butt of the gun. It didn't seem like something, like, it seemed more of a self-inflicted wound instead of a person actually hitting him.
Self-inflicted with what?
I don't know anything.
Okay, so it doesn't look like it was hit with a gun, but it looks like it was self-inflicted with another blunt object?
Yeah.
Okay, and you said it looked like the person, how do I word that? You said there was no signs of any forced entry, correct?
Yes.
But she was known not to set up her security system, so couldn't it have been that she just forgot?
But wouldn't there be how would she get into the door without any forced entry?
Well, because she didn't lock the doors.
Yeah, she probably, that could be a way too.
Both sides done?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, go ahead for your next witness, please.
We'd like to call Neighbor Seymour to the stand.
Make the L, Krista, make the L.
Would you please state your name for me?
Seymour,
Can you tell me how you know the Reeses?
I lived next to them for 5 years.
What did you see when you looked out your window on March 5th?
Two strange men dressed in coats and hats.
Did these men look familiar to you?
I couldn't really tell. It was really dark out.
So did they look suspicious to you?
Very.
What kind of clothes? You said they were wearing dark clothes.
Yeah, dark clothes, hats, and coats.
Was it cold enough outside to be wearing coats and hats?
Definitely not. It was very warm.
How long did you watch the men for?
Couldn't have been more than a minute or so.
What did you do after you stopped watching the men?
Well, I closed my window because I was really freaked out, and then I ended up calling the cops.
When you called the cops, what did they say to you?
They said I was dispatching.
Did they seem too worried about it?
No, not really.
Do you?
How did you know she didn't set the alarm?
Just because it went around the neighborhood that she didn't.
Have you ever been inside of her house to see her not set the alarm?
Yeah.
And couldn't have those men been wearing hats and coats because of the rain?
Because of the what?
Because of the rain?